Today I want to make a little demonstration on how the Handsome Up penis enlargement pump is being used. It is a popular penis enlargement pump which anyone can use and make the manhood bigger, thicker, larger and stronger. So I'm not here to talk about the effectiveness of the device, rather I'm here to teach you how you can use the device and achieve maximum results within the shortest time. When you open up the penis enlargement pump, Handsome Up to be precise, you find a cylinder like this, and you now find three different elastic rubbers like this, okay, and now a pressable pump like this. Okay, now these three different elastic rubbers are not going to be used at once. Okay, as you can see, each of them have different sizes, and what it means is that as your dick grows, you switch from one to another depending on the current size you have now. Determines the one you are going to be using. Now let's quickly teach you how you can fix it up in order for you not to make any mistake. First of all, you connect this particular rubber to the mouth of the big cylinder like this. Don't be afraid, it's very strong and it won't get spoiled. Successful. Now the next thing we have to do is to pick any of the rubber, the one that currently matches the size of our dick. Let me pick the middle one, and I'll quickly wrap it around the mouth of the cylinder. Like I said earlier, it's elastic, so don't bother, it won't get broken. Once you have done that, you quickly push this particular one inside like this. Okay, now once you have pushed it inside like this, your manhood is supposed to pass through this place. But before then, there are more things that you need to do. First of all, I have this artificial dick. It's called vibrator. Alright, that's what we are going to be using as our artificial dick for this demonstration. Alright, and we also have our Duress play. That is the recommended oil. So I don't recommend you putting your dick like this and start using. First of all, you get this oil, it's Duress play. We sell it for 6,000 naira. Then use it and lubricate the dick before you put it into the cylinder. Okay, here is how it's being done. You apply a little of the Duress play here, then you wrap it around your dick like this. Once you have wrapped it around your dick like this, very well, then we now push the dick in. Alright, once the dick gets in, you constantly pump like this. Once you have constantly pumped, you will see that it's getting stronger as you pump, and there won't be any space for any air to move out from here. Alright, when you constantly pump, it starts getting stronger and stronger and stronger, and when it gets so strong, you stop. Alright, you hold the cylinder with your dick for at least 10 minutes before pressing here to release the air. Alright, once that has been done, you wait for another 2 minutes, you rerun the process. I recommend doing this 3 times in the morning, 3 times in the evening for maximum results. If you can do this 3 times in the morning and 3 times in the evening, within a period of 1 month, you will achieve awesome results.